Hello, my name is Alex. Thanks for watching my course. For many years I have been working in the international digital marketing business. I cooperate with the world's leading corporations from the Forbes list. This course differs from others in that it is based on practical knowledge. Unlike other courses, I teach you the shortest way to get an excellent result. You don't need to learn large and complex presentation lessons. With my course, you will receive an amazing presentation in a short time. Leading universities invite me. I conduct practical classes with students. I often see students or employees have no practical knowledge. Nowadays, the ability to make presentations is very important. I teach how to make presentations of any level of complexity. These presentations can be addressed to the investor or the board of directors. You can present it at conferences or summits. Show PowerPoint presentation to clients or customers. My students are proud of their presentations. Presentations bring them success. I have taught many people practical skills. Everything in my course is very dynamic and without unnecessary words. I will teach you how to make beautiful design presentations in 30 minutes. See what presentations you can start making after completing my course. You are ready? Well, let's get started.